Hey guys, this is Miss Vu. I'm creating a quick lock tutorial so that you are successful when you go to 6th grade. So, some things to keep in mind. These are tick marks that are on a number line. So if you notice, I am starting at 0, then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also the same thing as on a clock is very similar. So if you notice there's 35 over here, and then tick mark up is 36, 37, 38, 39, and it starts back at 0. So if you notice, I said that when you zero out, that means you start at the 0 point 2 times. So what I'm going to do, doesn't matter which direction, let's say your lock is starting on 31, then what you do is that you zero it out like this, and then doesn't matter which direction, you're going to go to 0 one time, then you're going to go to 0 one more time, just so that everything just resets. So if you notice, I'm going to do right, left, right. So when you think of right, you're spinning it right side, this side. Then if you're on left, you're going to spin it this side, just so you don't get confused. And also something to keep in mind is that you have to be continuous. So you just can't stop in the middle of your number line. If you do, you have to restart. So this first one is 39. I noticed that I have 35. The next one is 36, 37, 38, 39, and it starts back at 0. So I have to be very accurate on this. I can't be like off by 2 or 3. I have to be right on. And you notice this red line right here? It starts at 0. So I'm going to spin mine to 39. It's going to be just a quick jump right side over here, so that is 39. Then my next number is 14, so that means that I have to make sure I go the other way. So I'm going to go left, so I'm going to go to 14 past that 39. Do you notice how I went back past that 39 to 14 is right before 15, and I stop. If you notice, I stop right on 14, and I think about my next number is 34. So I'm going to go the opposite direction of 34, and it's right before 35. Then I pull on the lock, and it should unlock. Then I want to relock it again. I press it down, and it should click. And same thing, you have to start back at 0 2 times. Don't stop in the middle of your number line because you will have to restart back at 0. And I hope that's helpful.